Designing a form in Microsoft Word can be quite tricky. In a form, we need to create blank space for manual entry. If we do it in a regular way, it becomes very hard to maintain the proper ratio. So, what do we do? Go to Home menu. Click on the expand arrow in Paragraph Settings. A pop-up window appears. Click Tab option. Enter your desired length in inches. Select left to right. In the leader option, click on the line option. Click Set. Repeat the steps for second tab. And hit OK. Now when you create the form, see the magic.